To customize your always on display in Samsung phone, here's the easiest way. First, you need to have the Good Lock app. If you don't have it, make sure to download it from the Galaxy Store. Next, open Good Lock and open LockStar. Make sure to download it first. After that, click on the LockStar button and click on Always on Display. And here you can modify your Always on Display. You can modify the color of the clock, or if it's thin or bold. Also, you can customize the style of the Always on Display. And also, you can adjust Always on Display auto brightness. You can modify it manually or make it auto. And finally, you can add widgets of any app you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Samsung tips.